Zhuhai Elmer Technology Company Limited, established in 2006, is professional engaged in the research, development, sales, and services of label printer and label consumables. After more than 19 years rapid development, AIMO has become the top professional sales company and included shareholder. Factory of label printer in China. Production area and office area are more than 50,000 square meters. Employees are more than 2,000, and R&D staffs are over 200. AIMO own over 230 patents, and our R&D team continuously develop new products to support our customers for obtaining long-term profit in order to supply the satisfactory products. AIMO has built a modern quality management system which is strict with accordance with international standards. Besides, due to the large overseas market, all of our products have got CCC, CE, FCC, and RoHS certificate. Product quality is guaranteed. We are always focusing on developing new products by using the advanced technology to meet the diversified demands from different customers. We will be your professional choice for label, printer, and compatible label tape. We have a professional R&D team and design team to meet your different customization needs. We are looking for distributors as well as OEM, ODM customers in the worldwide market. Please feel free to contact us for any requirements you may have. We look forward to working with you and join us promoting the development of your business.